Standard 8, Subject Maths, Chapter 15, Introduction to Graphs, Exercise 15.1. Question 1. The following graph shows the temperature of a patient in a hospital recorded every hour. You have learned the concept of the graph, the horizontal line, that is the x-axis, vertical line, that is the y-axis. Here on the x-axis, time is shown. On the y-axis, temperature is mentioned. On the basis of graph, we have to give the answer of this question. First, what was the patient temperature at 1 p.m.? So we have to check here 1 p.m. and then go here. So it's a 36.5. So the temperature of patient at 1 p.m. was 36.5 degrees Celsius. When was the patient temperature? 38.5 degrees Celsius. So here we have to check 38.5 degrees Celsius and then check here. It's at 12 noon. The patient temperature was 38.5 degrees Celsius at 12 noon. See, the patient temperature was the same 2 times during the period given. What were the 2 times? We have to check here the straight line, that is the 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. The patient temperature was 36.5 degrees Celsius at 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. D. What was the temperature at 1:30 p.m.? How did you arrive at your answer? We have to check 1 and 2 in between 1:30 and then check here. The temperature is 36.5 degrees Celsius. The temperature at 1:30 p.m. was 36.5 degrees Celsius. We have taken the mid value of 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. That is the 1:30 p.m. and then proceed perpendicular upwards to meet the horizontal line showing 36.5 degrees Celsius. During which period did the patient temperature show an upward trend? During 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and 10 to 11 a.m. the temperature showed upward trend. Question 2. The following line graph shows the yearly sales figures for a manufacturing company. On the x-axis, year is shown. On the y-axis, sales in rupees, that is shown. First one, what were the sales in 2002, 2006? So check in the 2002, it's a 4 crore. The sales in the year 2002 was rupees 4 crore and in the year 2006 was rupees 8 crores. B. What were the sales in 2003 and 2005? So check in the 2003, it's a 7. In the 2005, it's a 10 crore. The sales in the year 2003 was rupees 7 crore and in 2005 was rupees 10 crore. Compute the difference between the sales in 2002 and 2006. So here we have to check the difference between the 2002 and 2006 in the form of rupees. 2002 sales, it's a rupees 4 crore. Sales in 2006 rupees 8 crore. 8 minus 4 is equal to rupees 4 crore. In which year was there the greatest difference between the sales as compared to its previous year? The greatest difference between the sales was in the previous year 2005 as compared to previous year. That is the greatest difference. Question 3. For an experiment in botany, 2 different plants, plant A and plant B, were grown under similar laboratory conditions. Their height were measured at the end of each week for 3 weeks. The results are shown by the following graph. Here, on the x-axis, weeks mentioned, on the y-axis, height in the centimeter is shown. Here the plant A mentioned with the dotted line, plant B that is shown with the continuous line. First question, how high was the plant A after 2 weeks and after 3 weeks? Plant A means we have to check the dotted lines graph. After 2 weeks, here check the after 2 weeks the dotted line, that is the 7 centimeter. After 3 weeks, it's a, check the dotted line, it's a 9 centimeter. So the height of plant A after 2 weeks 7 centimeter, after 3 weeks was 9 centimeter. How high was plant B after 2 weeks and 3 weeks? Now it is for plant B, so we have to check the continuous line. That is after 2 weeks and 3 weeks. After 2 weeks it's the same 7 centimeter. After 3 weeks it's a 10 centimeter. The height of plant B after 2 weeks was 7 centimeter. After 3 weeks was 10 centimeter. How much did plant A grow during the 3rd week? Now here we have to take the difference between the 2nd week and 3rd week for the plant A. So plant A grew 7 centimeter to 9 centimeter. 9 minus 2 is equal to, 9 minus 7 is equal to 2 centimeter. That is the difference. How much did plant B grow from the end of the second week to the end of third week? Also we have to take the difference between third week and second week for plant B. Plant B grew 7 centimeter to 10 centimeter. So 10 minus 7, it's a 3 centimeter. E. During which week did plant A grow most? Just check which one week that is the plant A grow most in the second week. That is the 5 centimeter. During which week did plant B grow least? Plant B grew the least in the first week. Here we have to check the difference. Suppose for first to second week, how much it grows, second to third week. G, were the two plants of the same height during any week shown here? Yes, the two plants grow the same height at the end of the second week, and that is the 7 centimeter. Now here we are taking the question 5. Use the table below to draw linear graph. The number of days a hillside city recovered show in different years. Year is given, days is given. We have to draw this graph. You have to use the bar graph for that. On the x-axis shown years, y-axis shown the days. X-axis 1 year is equal to 2 units. And y-axis 1 day is equal to 1 unit. Now check 2003, that is the 8. 2004, that is the 10. 2005, that is the 5. 2006, that is the 12. B. Population of men and women in a village is different years. Years is given, number of men, number of women is given. X-axis, we have defined the years, y-axis population in thousands. Now here two things are given, number of men and number of women. So we have to show one information with the continuous and one information that is the dotted line. Here we are taking continuous line for the men, dotted line to show the number of women. Now check on x-axis 2 centimeter is equal to 1 year, on y-axis 2 centimeter is equal to 1000 person. Now here number of men 2003 it's a 12. 2003 it's a 12. 2004 it's a 12.5. 2005 it's a 13. 2006 it's a 13.2. 2007 it's a 13.5. Now number of women show with the dotted line. 2003 11.3. 2004 11.9. 2005 13. 2006 13.6. 2007 12.8. Question 7. Can there be a time temperature graph as shows? Justify your answer. Here we have to observe these 4 graphs and give the answers. First graph we observe that when the temperature increases as the time increase. Second, when the temperature decrease as the time increase. In the third, temperature is increased at a constant time, which is not possible. And the fourth graph, temperature remains the same, means constant when the time is increases. So the first, second and fourth that represent time temperature graph. Third one is not represent the time temperature graph. Here our exercise 15.1 completed. Thank you.